Our topic is all about joining words, prepositions. Introduction. Joining words, prepositions, the words in an English sentence are not laid out haphazardly. They are arranged in an orderly manner so that a sentence can convey meanings. Words that link other words in a sentence are prepositions. The use of prepositions in a sentence makes the meaning clear. So when we say prepositions, it is a relationship between a noun and a pronoun. It connects words, place, time, and location. Let's say, for example, on the table. So on the table is showing location, and to the store is showing direction.
Preposition. Mga words nga gamiton para mahibaw-an ang location or lugar ng isa ka butang or tao ba para mas paklaro ang bote pasabot ng isa ka sentence. Amo daw ang lain nga natawag sa preposition, joining words. Sample sa sentence na Norma sat chair. I ate the apple the table. So per sentence kung ato sabton, si Norma nag-ingkod sa bangko. So ay ato klaro kung naay dapit sa bangko. So sa kilid ba or sa ilayom or sa imabaw. Second sentence, ako nikaon ng apple table. So ay klaro umay tagkaon ang table sa nan apple. So para mas maklaro kung uno'y gusto pasabot ng sentence, magamit ng preposition. Norma sat on the table. So sa paggamit ng preposition na on, klaro na kung asat si Norma naglingkod, which is on our imabaw ng table. I ate the apple on the table, while sa second sentence ang tagamit na preposition is at. So naklaro na kon unoy tagkaon sa nanhain dapit na butang an apple. So amoy gamit ng preposition. So take a sentence clear and easy to understand. Kind of information. So ang kada preposition lahi ng gamit ang sentence. Siya na sentence. And first kind of Yuri is preposition of space and location. First, above. It means sa taas, still it shows location ng isa ka butang. Example. So haman tagbutang ang book. So above nan cabinet. So an above shows the location of the book. Second, after. So gamiton pagkahuman mahitabo ng isa ka butang or panhitabo. Example, so umay nahitabo after lunch ni Melissa. So an after amoy magkunik sa panhitabo after ni Melissa mag-lunch. 3. Across. Gamiton kung asa maghanap ng location or position ng isa ka butang or lugar. Or in the other words, mutabang sa pangutanan ng kung asa dapit. Example, asa dapit sila nagpuyo. So across the river tungod sa word na across, nakabalo na kung asa sila nagpulo. Which of across or asa naghuya, which is across of Filipino para sa kabila. 4. Against. Pwede gamiton to identify the location or position. For example, sa sentence, against the wall to. So haim man nidya asa nidya tag sandig or tagbutang. So ini na against dili buti pasabot na makig-away or laban sa kundi para mahibawan kung asa tagbutang or hain dapit an position. Amara tong
Continuation of kinds of preposition examples. Along. The children ran along the field. Ang along, ginagamit kapag kasabay ng direksyon sa isang lugar o linya. Among, you are the best among the students in the class. Example, ang among means ikaw ay kabilang sa grupo o ikaw ay inihahambing sa iba. Around and about, he turned around and fell. I was about to leave when I saw him. Ang around, paikot. Ang about, halos o malapit ng gawin. At, Wing is waiting at the counter. Ang at, nagpakita ang exact place or position. Before, the teacher arrived before the bell rang. So before means nauna sa oras o panghitabo. Behind. There's a house behind those trees. Ginagamit ang behind pag nakatago o nasa likod. Below. Below means under or lower than something. Beside. Jane sat beside Emma. Beside, next to or close to someone. Between. JM sat between his parents. Between, mauna tang naasa tunga sa duha ka tao. Beyond. Beyond the forest is a mysterious place. So beyond means past or farther than something. By. A true friend stands by you always. Ang by means beside you or supporting you. Down. Bring down those flower pots. Ang down, giga na siya sa taas, padung sa ubos. From. Elizabeth has arrived from the province. Ang from, mauna tong where someone or something came from. Pasigikan. In. She lives in the Quezon City. In means inside or within. Inside. Please stay inside the room. So inside, maunang definitely within something. Into. Robert walked straight into the trap. So into, movement going inside. So si Robert, diretso gyud na hulog sa bita.
So, good everyone. My topic is example of the preposition. So, ang preposition tawad is magamit nato siya kung maghimo ta og sentence or maghimo ta og correct nga grammar bitaw, then mag-adapt ta og word nga ma-fit nato para ma-complete ang iyang sentence na correct grammar. So, example tawad sa preposition is kuan na ay sa time is in, on, at, before, during, after, since, until, and then sa location is under, over, above, in, out, on, at, by, and then sa movement is to, into, towards, thought, up, down, and around, and then sa relationship is for, by, from, of, us, with, about, and then the example of the preposition word is near. So near is in the sentence, muna yung correct na sentence is, my sister's house is near the main road. So the second is of, Carmen took off her coat right away. And the third is on, Rebecca placed the document on the table. And on top, the medicine is on top of cupboard. And the next is opposite, Grace and Nanny, one sitting opposite each other, and outside, Remy is waiting outside the room. Then over, my cell phone fell over a heap of clothes. And then over, my cell phone fell over a heap of clothes throughout to Janet, went throughout the window to get the room. And the I've never been to Rome. towards or toward, the car is speeding toward us. And then under, Jane placed her prayers book under her pillows, and I pushed the heavy luggage upstairs. And the second to last is with Gemma came to the party with her husband, and the last is within. Students are required to stay within the school premises. So that's the example of words na pwede na to i-adapt bitaw para mahimo siya og correct nga grammar or sentence.
Number 2, preposition. Preposition of time show when an action has taken place. So, ang preposition of time is mga salita nga nagpakita kung kanus ang nahitabo ang usa ka aksyon. So, for example, about, around. Then, the program will start at around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Number 2, Yuli called up about 10 minutes ago. So, gigamit sa dire, sa example, or gipahiwatig kung kanus siya mahitabo, nga gi-indicate kung kanus ang mahitabo ang usa ka event. Then after, the speaker left after he delivered his speech ahead of. So sa after is gigamit para sad ipakita ang usa ka action na naganap paghuman sa other action. So then sa at, I usually get up at 3 o'clock in the morning before. So another example, pray before you sleep. So sa at is gigamit po siya kung gigamit siya para matukoy or tukuyin ang kanang eksaktong oras gali kung ano siya na hitabo. So, behind, we arrive behind the scheduled time between. So, sa behind is gamit sad para ipakita ng isa ka aksyon naganap sa pagitan ng ilang oras. So, for example, the lecture will end between 2 to 3 in the afternoon. So, gipakita dira ang then between. So, ang between is kada siya is gigamit para ipakita ang usa ka action na ganap. So, kung kanus din. Ang preposition is ang preposition word is a word that show relationship between noun and pronoun. So, diri ang makita nato makita sa preposition ang sa o kanus o unsaon anong usa ka butang na may sa usa ka butang may kalabutan sa lain. That's all. Thank you.
Compound prepositions are formed by combining a modifier with a preposition or by grouping preposition as follows. So, ang mga compound preposition, mao ni sila ang mga salita nga atong ginagamit para ma-connect or ma-relation sa isa ka salita sa isa pa ka salita. Mao na ang compound prepositions. Na diri ang mga example niya. Example, I was angry because of what you said. So ang atong gigamit dito nga compound preposition is because mao siya ang nagkuan ay sa ganay nagpasabot or nag-connect kung unsa ta moto na nang suko. These are the example of compound prepositions. According to, owing to, on account of, instead of, out of, in front of, because of, aside from, prior to, subsequent to, by means of, as to, other than, regardless of, instead of, depending on, due to, or up to.